Good morning. Let us move to the next article. Viscosity of gases. Viscosity of gases. Let us consider a gas filled in a container and the molecules of the gas are moving in all possible directions. If the velocity components of these molecules are different in different regions of the gas, if the velocity components of the gas molecules are different in different regions of the gas, what will happen? There will be layer flow of the gas. The gas flows in the form of layers with different velocities, which is momentum transport. Momentum transport giving rise to viscosity. How do we define viscosity? Viscosity is a viscous force or a dragging force acting per unit area to maintain unit velocity gradient. Viscosity is defined as the viscous force acting per unit area to maintain unit velocity gradient. What is velocity gradient? Change of velocity with respect to distance. Change of velocity with respect to distance is known as velocity gradient. According to this definition, the mathematical formula for viscosity, the force of viscosity is minus eta a dv by dx, equation number 1. F is the viscous force, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, a is the area, dv by dx is velocity gradient. Viscous force F is equal to minus eta a dv by dx, eta coefficient of viscosity, a the area of the layer, dv by dx velocity gradient. Y minus sign, the two layers which are in motion always oppose the relative motion. To represent this, minus sign is taken here. Now, let us suppose that N is number of molecules per unit volume of the given gas. Let us suppose that N is number of molecules per unit volume of the given gas. Volume is three-dimensional quantity, three-dimensional geometrical picture. Volume is three-dimensional geometrical picture. In three-dimensional geometrical picture, we have six main directions. In three-dimensional geometrical picture, we have six main directions. N number of molecules per unit volume. Let us suppose m is mass of one gas molecule. C is RMS velocity of the gas molecules. C is RMS velocity, root means square velocity of the gas molecules. Then what will be number of gas molecules moving in one direction per unit area per unit time? I will repeat it. N number of gas molecules per unit volume. C RMS velocity of the gas molecules. M mass of each gas molecule. The volume is three-dimensional geometrical figure. It has six main directions. Then what will be number of gas molecules moving in one direction per unit area per unit time? Number of gas molecules moving per unit area per unit time will be 1 divided by 6 into N into C. How many directions are there? 6 directions are there. So N will be divided equally into 6 directions. 1 by 6 in this direction, 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 1 by 6 in this direction. Number of molecules moving in a direction per unit area per unit time, and therefore she will come there. 1 by 6 into NC. If 1 by 6 into NC number of molecules, if 1 by 6 into NC number of molecules are moving in one direction per unit area per unit time, what should be the mass of the gas moving in this direction? Just multiply this by m. So this much mass of the gas is moving in one direction per unit area per unit time. Let us represent this mass moving per unit area per unit time in one direction by capital M is equal to 1 by 6 N into C into M, M into N into C, equation number 2. Let us suppose that dV by dx is the velocity gradient of one layer under consideration. dV by dx is the velocity gradient of one layer under consideration. If you move above this layer by distance x, its velocity will be different. If you move above this layer by distance x, velocity of this layer will be different. Okay, that is x into dV by dx will be velocity of this layer. This is just similar to rate. If rate of one pen is 10 rupees, what is cost of 10 pens? Rate of one pen multiplied by 10 pens, that is equal to cost of 10 pens. dV by dx, velocity gradient, rate of change of velocity with respect to distance. If you move above this layer by distance x, velocity here will be x into dV by dx. Let us suppose that lambda is the mean free path for the given gas. If lambda is the mean free path for the given gas, what should be the distance above this where the collision will occur? That will be x minus lambda. So the collision will occur at a distance x minus lambda above the layer dv by dx. Then the momentum in forward direction, momentum in this direction is given by momentum in forward direction is given by m into x minus lambda into dv by dx, equation number 3. Momentum in this direction. Momentum in this direction. What is momentum? Product of mass and velocity. Mass. What should be velocity at distance? X minus lambda into dv by dx. That will be the velocity. Velocity multiplied by mass. So in one direction, forward momentum in the forward direction, momentum in this direction. I have taken this as the forward direction. Momentum in this direction is m into x minus lambda into dv by dx. What will be momentum in the backward direction, in the reverse direction? Momentum in the reverse direction will be m into x plus lambda, minus of minus, plus lambda into dv by dx, equation number 4. If this direction is minus, if this direction is plus, this direction will be minus. You know the number line. Origin to the left side, negative terms are there. To the right side, positive terms are there. Just similar to that. If momentum in the forward direction is this, momentum in the reverse direction will be this much. What should be net momentum? Net momentum. Net momentum in the forward direction we have taken only one direction here, will be equal to m into x minus lambda into dv by dx minus m into x minus lambda into dv by dx. Net momentum in the forward direction is equal to momentum in the forward direction minus momentum in the reverse direction. Momentum in the forward direction minus momentum in the reverse direction. Solve this. M into x into dv by dx minus m lambda dv by dx minus m x dv by dx. This will be plus m lambda dv by dx. Something went wrong. Minus. So it will happen, this lambda will become minus. Net momentum, it should be minus 2 times lambda du by dx. Minus plus, it has become minus. Yes, minus minus. So x is left here, m into x into du by dx. M x dv by dx plus in sign minus m x dv by dx minus in sign. This term get cancelled with this term. Minus m lambda dv by dx minus m lambda dv by dx. So momentum in the forward direction is minus 2 times. Momentum in the forward direction is minus 2 times m lambda dv by dx, equation number 5. LHS of equations 1 and 5 are same. What is momentum transfer? Momentum transfer is nothing but viscosity, and therefore LHS of these two are same. LHS of equations 1 and 5 are same, and therefore we have to equate RHS of equations 1 and 5. When we equate RHS of equations 1 and 5, we will get minus eta a dv by dx is equal to minus 2m lambda dv by dx minus get cancel, dv by dx get cancel, and we have eta a is equal to 2 into what is capital M? 1 by 6 m n c, this lambda as it is, or eta is equal to 1/3 m n c lambda, equation number 6. Here we have taken a is equal to 1 square unit. This a is taken as 1 square unit, and therefore eta, viscosity, coefficient of viscosity of the given gas, coefficient of viscosity of the given gas is 1/3 of m n c lambda. M is constant, n is constant, lambda is constant. This eta will be proportional to the RMS velocity is c, but this c is proportional to square root of the temperature, and therefore this eta will be proportional to square root of the temperature, as RMS velocity c is proportional to square root of the temperature. If you put the value of lambda here, what is value of lambda? Value of lambda is lambda is equal to 1 divided by pi d square n. So it will become m n c divided by 3 pi d square n. This is about coefficient of viscosity of gas. We may need this somewhere, so let us write it here. Eta is equal to 1/3 m n c lambda, some equation. So this is about viscosity of gases. So using the knowledge of the previous articles we studied in this chapter, we got expression for viscosity of gas in terms of equation 6. This is about viscosity of gases. Hope you got. If you have any question, you may please interact. Thank you.